to Really Simple Recipes, and today we're going to be making rhubarb and apple crumble. The good thing about my crumble is it's made with your natural ingredients. So what I mean by that is I've used no refined sugars or fats. So that means that you can enjoy this crumble and not feel guilty. Okay, let's get started. So in here I've got rhubarb and apple. So I have used your cooking apples, that's your Bramley apples. I do know that some people use different ones, so they use the Braeburn or the Granny Smiths. So it's your preference what you would like to use. And we've also got our homegrown rhubarb in here as well. So you're looking for about 3 or 4 large apples with 2 or 3 stalks of rhubarb. Depending on your rhubarb, depends on how much you have. My rhubarb sticks were quite large, so I've only used a couple. Make sure you've got a good mix of the both in there. I've also popped in here 1 lemon. The good thing about using a lemon, it just stops your apple from going brown. And on top of that, I am now going to add your homemade date syrup. I'm just going to pop that in there. So I will be posting a recipe on how to make your date syrup. This part is preference. Some people don't stew their fruit beforehand. Some people just pop it into their dish and then they put the crumble on top and bake it without stewing first. I just like to do it just to make sure that I'm getting the date syrup in the fruit and getting a nice good softness of the fruit as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to stick that onto our hob on a medium heat, and we're going to do it for about 10 minutes. So while that's stewing, we'll get on to making the crumble. Okay, so our filling is now on the hob, so it's stewing. That'll take about 10 minutes. So we'll crack on with the crumble. Before we start, I will say preheat your oven to a gas mark 6. So let me just go through the ingredients with you first of all. So you want your jumbo oats, flour, homemade date syrup, homemade apple puree and cinnamon. I will be doing a recipe on the date syrup and the apple puree, so please do keep an eye out for them. The good thing about these two is it's your natural sugars, so we're staying away from refined sugars with this recipe. We're just using nice, good, honest, natural ingredients. Okay, so what we need to do now is start mixing our crumble. So pop in our flour, oats, date syrup, apple puree. So this apple puree, I'll just say before I pop it in, is in replacement of your fats. So as you probably know, with a crumble you usually use butter. I know that some people have used coconut oil. So this is a good replacement for that, so you're not getting any saturated fats within this crumble. I'm just going to put it out of there. I must get my fingers in, it's going to get messy in a minute anyway. Okay. And then just pop in your cinnamon. And then we're just going to crumble that together. What we're looking for is like a crumbly texture. Just keep mixing until it's lovely and crumbly. So if it is that you don't like rhubarb and apple filling, now you could use other fillings with this. So you could have your mixed fruit, or you can just add apple. I will say though, your sugar might change. So you might not need as much date syrup, or you might not need any date syrup. You know, as we know, rhubarb is very sharp flavour, and so is the Bramley apples. There you go, that's your crumble ready to go. So here's my bowl ready to put in my rhubarb crumble. So I have just gone around the outside with some butter. The main reason it just helps with it not sticking. So if you ever hear the pitter patter of feet in my kitchen, or should I say paws, so here's the reason why. This is Newton, my little shadow. This guy is my shadow, aren't you? Go on then, down you go. So my fruit has been stewing now for about 10 minutes. I'm going to pop that into my bowl that I'm using for baking. There we go. Make sure we put that down so we've got a nice seal on there. There we go. All that's left to do now is to pop our crumble on. Make sure it's all spread out evenly around your edges. So you get a nice seal. Okay, with my crumble. And I'm going to stick that into the oven now for around 15 to 20 minutes. It's as simple as that, rhubarb and apple crumble. If you've enjoyed my video today, please do give me a like. And if you're new to my channel and you like what you see, please do hit the subscribe button and also click the bell. If you have any comments or you want to know more about the recipe, get a little bit more information, pop them below and I'll be more than happy to get back to you on that. Thanks for watching my video today.